Hello guys, so in this video I'm going to teach you how to build an e-commerce website just like this. Yes, in less than 30 minutes I'm going to teach you how to build an e-commerce website like this. Even if you are in Nigeria, you are in South Africa, you are in America, you are in any country, having a website like this can enable you sell your e-commerce product online. As you can see, you have the categories here, your categories, just like Jumia. You have your home, your shop, your coupon, you have your phone number where they can reach out to you, your email, you have your naira, you have your language, you have your icon and all that. So as you can see, you have this. You can see you can do a lot of things with this website. As you can see, this is quick view. You can easily view the website with view the product without clicking on it. So this is it, and you even have when the offer end. Now this is the front end of the website. This is how the website look, and I'm going to teach you how to build it in a few minutes. Now this is the back end. Let's go to the back end. As you can see, this is the categories. This is the categories of the website, the categories we have added. Now this is the back end of your website. As you can see, you have your total sales, your commission, your last order. You can view everything for here from this part. As you can see, most sold product, most download product. As you can see, most download brand, popular customer. As you can see, you can get a lot of statistics from here, guys. A lot of statistics, and you can change anything from this area. Now you can also create coupon code. You can also create a pop-up from this back end. That's not enough. You can edit your website by yourself. You don't need any other person to start editing for you. You can edit it from here. You can upload your images from here, or you can import your website for here. Now that's not enough for this website. You also have a lot of other features. Now if you don't like this front end theme, if you don't like this theme on this front end, you also have a lot of other themes to pick from on this platform. So as you can see, this is another theme inside this same file that you're going to use. If you don't like that first one, you can make use of this one to design your website if you want to do something sleek and unique. Or if you don't like this, you also have another style. As you can see, this is a different style for a clothing or a fashion brand. As you can see, this is a very sweet looking website. As you can see, the site is good. The site is good looking. So this is still another style. As you can see, this is a unique clean style. So with this, and you even have your chat, your live chat here, where customer can chat with you on your site, and then you can respond them from your ticket area here. You can respond them from your ticket area. Now let's see the next one. Okay, you also have another front end, guys. See, if you are building a tech store, if you're building a store where you can sell digital stuff, software, you can see this is where you can do that, guys. This is where you can do that. If you want to be selling script online, you can do that with this file, guys. You can really do that. As you can see, the website is sleek. Now if you look at the next one, you see there's a lot of template, guys, a lot of homepage that you can pick from that could enable you build your website. You can see this one is okay. It looks beautiful, guys. It looks beautiful. Now let me quickly check the last ones. This, as you can see, guys, I like this red. This red is very awesome, guys. As you can see, this is very awesome, very awesome, guys. As you can see, the site is sleek and okay. Now for that, you have your admin here. You can edit and everything. So in a few minutes, guys, I'm going to teach you how we can build this. I'm going to show you the basic process on how you can build this. Now don't forget to hit the subscribe button as we get started. Okay, let's go. So hello guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. So right here I'm going to teach you how you can begin the process in designing an e-commerce website. So to start with, you need a domain name and a web hosting. A domain name is simply your name on the internet or the name of your website. Now a web hosting is where the file is saved on the internet, so, or your server, whatever you want to call it. So now to get started, I recommend you go through Namecheap. Now if you're designing an e-commerce website, it's better you use a strong platform, not regarding the cost. Now if you decide to go use if you're from Nigeria, you decide to use any of these Nigeria web hosting that always have issues. At the end of the day, your e-commerce website might be offline for days, or you might have some trouble with your website. But if you take the risk by using crypto to buy domain name and hosting from Namecheap, you just end up enjoying everything. So it's better you just take that risk for the first time than going to try something like Google Host or Q Server and then you start having issue. So if you ask me, I will say Namecheap is better. So by the way, you can get a domain name and a hosting from Namecheap by clicking on the link in the description below to support this channel. Now if you come here, you type in the name of the website you want. So you could say, let me say v3commerce.com. Now if I enter v3commerce.com, I'm going to click on search. Now it's going to check if the domain name is available, and if it's available, it's going to tell me that yes, this domain name is available. You can actually purchase it. So as you can see, it's actually loading. Okay, now that we're seeing that it's available for $10.28, you can come here and use your coupon code given to you, newcom58, and then the price is going to reduce to 5.98. Now once you're done, you click on add to cart. Now I'm not adding this to cart because I don't want to purchase it. I'm just showing you how to buy. Now once you click on add to cart, you come to your hosting. Now you click on shared hosting. Now shared hosting actually gives you ability to buy hosting with other people, but at the same time at a cheaper rate, or to host more than one website on your server. So as you can see, with this stellar plan, you can host you get some domain for free. So you get some free domain name, some domain name like the .online, you have some of them for free. You get 3 websites, so you can add 3 websites to this domain name. Then you get 20 gig SSD, which is the storage. Then you can add up to 30 MB, and your plan also comes with a website builder. So if all this is if you are satisfied with all this, which are going to pay 22.88, that's $22.88, then it's okay for you. But if not, you could come up with this bigger one, but these two are fine. But if you're just starting out as a business, I think this one is okay. Okay, your annual hosting comes with 1 domain name offer, so you give you 1 domain name if you're taking 1-year plan. So $22. So currently this should be about, let's say, 25,000 naira if you're using naira. So 25,000 naira. So you just have to buy Bitcoin and then deposit it on your account. So now once you're giving the domain name, you'll be taken to your cPanel. So I don't want to go through log into my cPanel from here because I have a lot of sites in this place. So but your cPanel will look something like this. As you can see, this is a cPanel. It looks something like this. Now I have a cPanel tutorial on my YouTube channel, so let me just go there and quickly show you guys. So in case you have you haven't done cPanel before, you haven't gone with cPanel, I have a cPanel video on my channel. So as you can see, so let's look for cPanel mastery. cPanel mastery course. So yes, this is it, video design. So I did it 2 months ago, so this is the video. So it's good, it's okay, you can watch this video and it will teach you about cPanel. Now you'll be brought to this page and it will explain everything here for you. Now if you come here, this is your file manager. Now they'll give you a file manager which you're going to use to manage your website. So this is the file manager for this my account. And from your cPanel, if you go to your cPanel, you just click on this file manager, it will bring you to this page. Now this is the page it will take you to. Now on this page, this is where you upload the file for your website. So let's come together, let me show you how you can upload it. So you come here, click on upload. Now a new tab is going to open up. On this tab, this is where you can upload the file. So I'm going to click on select file. So I'm not going to use this one, so I'm going to come here, this is the one I'm using, Slav. So click on upload. Now it's going to upload on my file manager. Now it's from this file manager that you can install it. Let's assume your domain name is a bucket cover. Now that file manager is your bucket, the water is your website or the content you're putting on your server. So the water right now is what we are actually uploading right now for the bucket. So that's the simple way to explain this. So this is it. You give it some time. As you can see, this is a 152 MB. So you give it some time. Once it uploads, then you continue with the process. Now while this is uploading, let's go back and create a what's it called, sorry, okay, I've forgotten the word. Okay, database. So let's go create some database for it. So you come here, type in database. So you see my SQL database wizard. Now you click on it. Now if you click on MySQL database, it's going to open the database for you where you can create a database for your account. So I'm going to call this Matville. So now I'm going to click on next step. Now I'm going to call it the same name to ensure that I get every detail. So I'm going to use a password. So I'm still going to use that same password again. So now I'm going to use that same password. I'm going to create user. Now the user has been created. As you can see, the next thing is to give it all privilege. So I'm going to click on all privilege. Now we have it installed. So you're going to click on go back home. Now if you click on it, to take you back to the site where you just uploaded it, which is your file manager. So now from this file manager, you're going to extract it. So you click on extract, and then you click on extract here. Now as you click on extract here, it's going to extract the file on this part. So now that you extracted it, you click on close, then you reload it. Now you have everything here. Now for those of you who like to understand much about how to code, how to edit, you can edit it from your .env file. But a lot of my subscribers are actually newbies. They really do not know how to build e-commerce website. So I'm just going to show them from here. So here you're just going to highlight everything here. Just copy your domain name. Now, by the way, for those of you that are just getting started for the first time, or those of you that are just getting started for the first time, right? This file is going to be under your public underscore HTML. So you're going to upload the file under your public underscore HTML. I think I missed that while explaining this tutorial. So for yours, if you buy a domain using this tutorial, this is where you're going to upload the file. So you just come here, click here, and then you upload the file here. But because this is not a new domain, I did buy a new domain. I'm using this because I already have it. So that's what I'm using here. So as you can see, it's on a folder in my V3 design digital website. So now I'm going to copy it, go to a new tab. I'm going to click on paste. I'm going to click on /install. As I click on /install, I'm going to click on next. So now once it shows like this, you're going to click on start with checking requirement. Now since everything is okay, the PHP version is okay, now you're going to click on check permission. Now it's telling you that this folder, you need to give this folder permission. So as you can see, storage app, storage framework, storage log. So let me copy the permission. Now you copy the number, you go back to that your file manager, not this place. So here's the file manager. Okay, this is my file manager. Now you go to storage. So here's storage. So this is storage. You open storage. So there is storage log, storage app, and storage frame. So here you click on it, you paste it, you click on enter. Storage framework, which is this. Okay, storage log, let's do this. Click on it, paste the number, click on enter. Storage framework, so you click on it, you paste the number, click on enter. Then you come back, you look for the other one. You have bootstrap cache. So you come here, you copy the number. It's literally the same number though. So you bring it, go. So let's go back. So look for bootstrap. You're under the cache part or the cache, depending on what you call it. You put it, so you go back. Resource language, then env. Okay, resource language is the last for that. So go back. Click here. I'll look for resource. Under resource, you go to languages. So this is the language, so click on it, then you paste it, then you click on save. Now you now have modules underscore status.json. So you go copy, then you come back, look for that file. So modules underscore json. Okay, this is it. So right here you look for it. So this is it. So you click on it, paste it, click on save. Then you look for the last one, .env. So the .env .env is the last one, sorry. So you go to the .env, you rename, you paste it, and then you click on save. Now you have it all checked. Now you could refresh your browser, and everything is green. Then you click on verify Evanto purchase code. So as you click on verify Evanto purchase code, so your data, just enter your data, your username. Now if you purchase this script for me, I'm going to give you the username and the password. So if you purchase the script for me, I'm going to give you the username and the password to this e-commerce platform. So I'm going to post it now. I'm going to verify it with my username and my password. Now if you purchase this script, I'm going to give you your own username and your password, which is going to be unique to you. So only you can use it to access this website, or only you can use it to verify here. So let me pause it. So I have actually done that. Now it's not time to fill your database. So I'm going to go back to the database we created. I think it was here. So I'm going to copy this. Now the database name, the database username are all the same thing. So let me go back. Database name, database user, database password, database port, host name. So it's supposed to be localhost. So localhost, you have localhost. Now let me see if that has been updated. Okay, that has been added successfully. So now click on domain. So you click on create. So click on create database. So it's going to install everything on it. It's going to install the database of the file on your MySQL database area. So after installation, you can then continue with the process of logging into your website. So now we have where you can fill our administrative details. So now you're going to put your name here. So I'm going to put something very basic. So I'm going to put Ramba. So the next is your email. So I'm going to just use any email, support at what's my domain name. So let me copy it. I'm going to paste it here. Then password, let me use something I can easily remember. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Don't worry, I'll delete this site once I'm done. So don't worry. Now I'm going to do create user. Okay, sorry. Okay, create user. Okay, we have our website. So I'm not going to save this. Our website, login. Let's log in our website to see how it looks. So this is our site. So sign in. SUPPORT at slash, then I did 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So I'm going to click on sign in. Okay guys, so welcome to your admin panel of your e-commerce website. So we just successfully created or installed the website file, and this is how the admin panel look. So this is how the admin panel look. Now the first thing you want to do is to set up your SMTP. So that's, I'm going to do that in another tutorial, but it's very easy. Let me just show you the basics. So just first of all, click on configure now. Before that loads, because I'm currently having network issue right now. So you have marketing, menu, form, website setup, media manager, ticket, import, configuration, report, add-on, and clear. Okay, cache clear. So now we have all that here. So while this is loading, let's go visit the front end of our website and see how our website look. So let's see, this is how our website look. So while this is loading, as you can see, we have all this here. So on this marketing, you have things like coupon, where you could give people coupon. Then you can add pop-up on your website. Like if you visit Jumia's website now, you see some pop-up on it. You see they will tell you that, do you want Jumia Black Friday and all that. This is where you can add it. Personnel, this is where you can add users to the website. You can add customers, you can add admin that want to sell on your website. Now product, this is where you can add products to your website. This is where you can add product categories. For example, the category you talk about categories like shoe, clothing, fashion. Here you can add brands. Now orders, here you can see the orders and transaction people make on your website. Now if someone wants to sell as a vendor on your website, this is where you make them admin. You can add them as a vendor. They will be selling on your website and be paying you commission for selling on your platform. You can have blogger, you can write article to enable your website rank on Google and you get free traffic. So here is our menu where you add menu to the website. Forms, you want to build form like contact form, you can do that here. Or people want to submit, you want to make sure that people submit KYC, their verification, so that they don't scam users on your platform. This is where you can do that. Now website setup, you want to set up your homepage or any other pages on the website, and you want to also set up the front end, just like a drag and drop system. You can do that here. Media manager, this is where you upload your files, your media files. Ticket, this is where when a customer has issue, the message is support is going to show up here. Import, if you have any other file you want to import, you can do that here. Configuration, so this is where you do the general setting, the product, the shipping and all that. So this is where we're going to start from right now. So let's go to the general setting. So now to configure the SMTP, it's very simple. You select your SMTP here. Now email encryption, now you're going to select your SSL, normal your SSL encryption. Now email host, now you're going to enter mail dot your domain name. You're going to enter your domain name. Now the port, normally I'm using Namecheap, so I told you 465. SMTP mail, so I'm going to use support at v3. Now from address, from v3 design. Now from name, v3 design Lagos. From name, v3 commerce. Now from SMTP username, the username is the same as this, so you copy it, paste it here. Now the password is the password you use for your email, so your webmail, this is the password to your webmail. So you're going to enter the password to your webmail and you're going to save. So now let's go back. Now to change the name, let's start from this top. To change the name of your website, so let's call this v3. Now it's going to automatically change. You're going to enter your admin URL, your admin email. So you could say support or whatever you want to call it. Then you enter your phone number. The task ID does not matter, you can put anything you want. Put your street address, put your country. So for this I'm going to put Nigeria. Put your city. So if you select this, once it loads, it's going to ask you for your city. So your state, so let's select Lagos State. Lagos State. Now for your zip code, you put your zip code here of your environment. So Lagos. Now what currency do you want to use? So let's use NGN. So NGN. Now you have a logo for your business. Put the logo here. Put the logo here, and then you click on save change. Now this is the first step. Now while this is loading, this is the home page of the website. This is how it looks. As you can see, this is how it looks. So I see it has a very beautiful design. This is it. This is how it looks. So you can set this up and then start selling. So because we've changed the price to naira, let's see if it has saved. Okay, it has saved. So if we refresh this, it's going to come up with naira payment. So it's still loading. So while we wait for it to load, then you can come to your preference. Now on your preference, you have a lot of editing to do, but basically with a site like this, you are very sure that you can be making sales and you're getting all your returns and knowing what is going on your website. So this is it. Row. This is if you want to set the time frame of your website. If you want to move your website to maintenance mode, you can click on this part. If you want to change the language of your website, you can set that here. Now if you want to arrange your customer panel, you do that here. If you want to arrange your vendors panel, if you have any vendors, do it here. Now products, let's go to products. Now as you can see, this is the price, 400. So as you can see, it's all good. As you can see, the language I told you guys about, a lot of language here. So these are the categories where I taught you guys right now to edit category. So as you can see now, for that ticket, when the customer comes here and message you, it's going to show up on your website, guys. So this is it. So now let's go to product. Okay, so do you want simple product, group product? Check everyone that you know that is okay for your brand. I can't really tell you everything that you need to check because it's your choice and you determine what goes on your brand. So that's it. Now another place you want to try editing is your website setup. So especially your homepage, because you really want to change some of the logos and all that on the homepage, and you might want to change how it looks, and you also want to ensure that your site rank on Google. So this script is actually a nice one because it can allow you rank very well on Google. So right here you could just click on edit page and then take you a place where you have to edit everything. So for here you can edit the home page. Now you can rename the page, it's up to you. This is the SEO feed where you can ensure that it ranks on Google. So I can call this V3 Commerce or whatever I want to call it, and then give it a description and upload an image. So when somebody go to Google and type in something like type in this V3 Commerce, it's going to pop up with this image. Understand, guys? So what I mean is this: if you are done adding it to Google, so something like this. No, I'm not going to jumia.com. As you can see, before I leave here, as you can see, it's almost like Jumia, guys, almost like Jumia. So let's go to just Google. Let's go to Google and just type in Jumia. So if you type in Jumia in Google, you're going to see that it's going to pop up like this, and then the image is going to be here. So that's what I meant when I said your logo is here and your write-up is here. So that's for that. Now appearance is also another thing you want to set to ensure that your website appear proper and okay. So now on appearance, you have your header to set, your top header, your main header, your bottom header. Now what I mean by that is this: you have your top header, this phone number, email, compare, and all that. You have your menu, so that's it. You also have your footer, and you have your page pagination. So I think every other thing you can set by yourself. If there's anything you cannot do, you just let me know. So for the categories, these categories, as you can see, you can set them up from this area, this categories area. So you can set them up for here. and you could add some, you can remove from this environment. So this is it, some of the categories that are available. So guys, I think that's enough for this video. I think I've been able to show you guys how to build an e-commerce website. As you can see, this is your e-commerce website. I think I'll be able to show you guys how you can build an e-commerce website with ease without stressing yourself. I think this script has a lot of features. You can compare your product, you can add a product to favorite, which is wish list. As you can see, it's going to show up here. So it's added. Your customer can actually add to cart from here, or they can quickly view the product. So it's going to pop up and actually show you how you can view it. See, this is it. You can also do it, or you can click on it and then it's going to open on a new page. You can add your banner here so that your image will be displaying like this to your users when they come to your website. So as you can see, this is it. You add your delivery time, your warranty, your description, specification, vendor info if you have a vendor on the side that is selling the product, or if it's yours you won't see that. So then it will add related products. As you can see, this is the footer. Now it has different kind of home page. You can choose from any of them to set as your main page. So guys, I think that's all for this video. Thanks for watching this video. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please hit the subscribe button. I will be very happy to see you as part of my subscriber, and join me to grow this YouTube channel. So thank you for actually watching my videos, and if you have any information or any question, please go to the comment section and just ask your question, and then I will reply you once I see the question. So I think that's all for this video guys. So thanks for watching guys. I will see you on my next video.